Yes, Virtuous Nation, you don't know. We're going. Is it there again? You know what I mean? Hope everybody good and thing, you don't know. The Virtuous man himself back at it again, you know what I mean? Yes, you don't know as me say we're there again, you know what I mean? You don't know. You know, hope everybody good and thing. Hope when I look after yourself, you don't know, and them previous time, yeah. You see it? Yeah, man. So yeah, as me that say, you don't know, so a good one now to see me from last year Christmas time, you see it, you know what I mean? So first and foremost, you don't know, Happy New Year to you, you see me, if you don't follow me on Instagram, social media, them kind of thing there, you don't know, say, only that system upload a New Year's video, you see me? So for those who don't sweet, you don't know, Happy New Year to you and thing. You know what I mean? Open a good and open a match up on the thing and hope the new year go good for now. So far, so good, you see it. But yeah, we da go through a look of vibes, you see me? But we stand firm in a Gideon cause I don't know things set, you see it, you know what I mean? Everybody have to go through up and down. Life now got always sweet, you know, got always smooth. You see me, I say, you don't know, we stand firm in it and, you don't know enough more things on the cards, you know what I mean? Enough more video I drop with myself, you see me? Whether that be me cooking, you don't know me and Siege Boss, I go forward back in the thing, you know what I mean? You don't know Muffin up on the scene, you know what I mean? You don't know I try away and we just have a local vibes, a local meds and thank you people, you don't know I want to make it possible, you don't know reach 100 plus now anyway, you see me? But for me anyway, the goal was to reach 100 before the end of last year, you see me I say? And we did that, you know what I mean? Thanks to Honor again, you know what I mean? So you don't know my promise, you know, local story time, so you don't know that up on the cards, Siege Boss about in our places. Yeah man, so as me that say, you don't know reach 100 and things, so you don't know story time and the cards now, you know what I mean? So we'll go and look at story of cause you don't know we have all you know, you see me, but Siege man, we'll go and you wanna anytime we get stabbed, you see me I say? Yeah man, the one that go, the one that go mad, so you just kick back, you know what I mean, grab on the popcorn, just full of vibes and sit down and eat and say yeah. You don't know a Virtuous man this attack and I do him thing, is it? Yeah man. So as me that said, thank you guys, me can't thank you enough, you know what I mean? Thank you for the likes, thank you for the comments, thank you for subscribe, you know what I mean? Trust me, I really appreciate it. You see me I say? So yeah. That up on the cards now, you don't know, as me say, more videos with me and Siege Boss, you know what I mean, with him I taste some fruits, with him I taste the food, them I cook, I don't know, him get teeth now, so him teeth start push out and thing, you know what I mean, so you can taste them proper and thing, you see what I say? The reason why I never see me for so long anyway, as me say, me that go try look at thing, you know what I mean, and whatever. And imagine when me that go through that now, the laptop end up stop work, you see me I say, so you don't know say we have to fix it, you don't know say we have to fix it, you know what I mean, and make sure say it up and running. So yeah, it up and running now, you don't know, we can edit just like always, you know what I mean, straight back with the vibe, straight back with the, different kind of flex, you know what I mean. So yeah, when you just stay tuned, you don't know, make sure you stay locked in, don't tell no friend to tell no friend to tell no next friend, you understand? Cause that's that area we really want to turn it up on a mad level, you see me I say? Yeah man, that's how we think there. So you just go and stay tuned, cause as me say, enough more content I drop. I buy a drone, so now I will get different kind of angles, different kind of shots. You see me I say, when I meantime Virtuous Nation, you know what I mean, want to big up on a nice clean self, you know what I mean, as me say, I can't thank you enough. Because we reach 100, you know what I mean, and yeah, I just want, just stay tuned, you see me I say? Yeah man.